Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed that footage. We had some fun a few weeks ago doing some more backyard jumps with this custom 1/25th scale RC General Lee replica. If you're curious about the car that's being used, definitely check out the links below in the description as I've documented the entire build process in detail. You can also check out some of the other jumps and stunts that we've done prior. Not a huge amount of success from these last round of jumps if I'm being honest, but regardless still pretty cool to watch in slow motion. The car definitely took a beating, mostly as a result of all those nosedives. Regardless though, it's still in one piece, aside from the drive shaft, so I can't complain. I think quite a few of those jumps turned out looking pretty convincing, as long as you use your imagination to sort of ignore the background. Maybe one of these days we'll set up a green screen or find a nice spot in the woods. Just some fun backyard RC shenanigans. I hope you all have an awesome day, and as always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.